Hi, this is Victor with spicegnome.com and welcome to another episode of Spice and Advice Drink Edition. Today we're going to make a rosy pink Cosmos. Really aromatic, really good. We're going to start with 2 ounces of grapefruit rose infused vodka, 1.5 ounces of cointreau, 1.5 ounces of cranberry juice with pineapple, 1/2 ounce of fresh lime juice, some ice, and then we shake it. And then we drink it. Oh, it's so pretty. And then we're gonna garnish it with 2 rose petals. Voila! Rosy pink Cosmos. That is the stuff. That is good. For this recipe and many other recipes, check out our website, spicegnome.com. Chin chin. Delicious.